Do you even know where you're going?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did you guys hear that?
Was that a shot? That sounded like someone's hunting. Yo, look at that cabin. Bro, that cabin's so freaking creepy. Dude, it literally looks like a horror movie.
Like falling apart.
Oh my god, what is that?
Wait, what?
What is what?
What? Oh. Oh my
Is
god.
that a person?
What is that?
Oh my god. Does he have a machete?
And he has a machete.
What does he have in his hand?
He has a machete, bro.
Oh. Holy smokes. Dude.
Don't call him.
No, we're not. Just be quiet.
I think we should go back. He has a machete. He could hurt us with that.
Dude.
Well, he's in our property, though.
Exactly. I don't know, but
Do you want to risk
I don't want to
getting hurt
guys.
over there?
Guys.
Let's go, let's just go.
He reminds
No,
me,
no.
He reminds me of somebody. I forgot the name of them.
Yo, he's wearing a Michael Myers mask.
That's the one.
Oh my god. Yo,
The one.
wait, but that's so creepy though because in the movie Michael Myers, there's cabins, woods.
Yes.
We're staying in a cabin in the middle of the woods.
Dude, is someone trying to like mess with us?
What are we gonna do?
Dude, let's
Hey,
get...
like, bro, what is going on?
Dude.
Look how he's walking. Look how he's walking.
We all know how that movie ended. I don't want to.
Okay, well, let's not say that.
Yeah, let's not say that, my bellies. I don't want us to end the same way the movie ended.
No, but I don't want to.
Wait. Shh. Where'd he go? He's over there. He's behind my car. He's looking. Hey, now he's literally looking at us. Guy, wait, I feel like he's setting us up for something. Like he's making us chase him. He's... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Wait. Hey, now, isn't that the same truck from the movie?
Oh my god, that's his truck.
That's his truck.
Yo, dude, I'm freaking out right now, dude. Oh my god.
I think
Alright,
we've been
relax.
staying in his cabin.
We have been.
That's his truck.
Oh my
Danielle,
god.
that's his truck. You guys, he's getting closer. We have
Guys, he really is.
Hey, can you leave our property?
I think we're in his property.
I think we're invading his property.
Yeah, I
his
agree.
truck, his cabin in the middle of the woods.
All the turkeys over there, they're freaking out.
I'm freaking out.
Oh my god.
Can we just go?
Yo, let's just come here, bro. Yo, you gotta leave.
Relax.
No, go.
Relax.
No, he's in our property, bro. You gotta go.
Alright, let me talk to him. Let me talk to him.
Okay, yeah, with that attitude, I don't think you're gonna get anywhere.
Hey, if you need help, we're here to help you.
Bro, let's be honest, he really doesn't even look that scary.
Hey, be quiet.
No, he's trying to scare us. No, he's...
If you need help, we're here to help you.
Oh,
If you need help, we're here to help you.
that's the thing. If you show fear, he's gonna know we're scared. Yo, bro, I'm not scared. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Dude, never mind.
Look, he's walking after us.
Oh my god. Hey, now, dude. Yo, what the hell? Oh, he's running! Run. Oh my god. Guys, he's catching speed. Oh my god. Yo, he's coming. Go, I can't run that fast. Go inside, Oli. Go inside my buddies. Oh my god. Hey, now. Oh my god. Hey, now. Hey, yo. Shh. Wait, I'm gonna hide right here. Guys. What is he doing? Oh my god. You know.
Holy, come on!
Oh my god, he's after my sister. Oh my god.
I got it. Hey!
Oh my god, he's after my sister. Oh my god. Dude, go.
Run, Holy, run!
Oh my god.
Holy, get help! Go, run, get help!
You know, he's really mad. Yo, dude. You know.
Just open the
Go. Open up. Oh.
It's open, get it.
Go in. Oh my god! I can't! Go! Dude, what the hell? Oh my god, he's after my bellies! Oh my god, he's after them!
Dude!
Why?
Dude! Oh my god!
Oh my god, dude, he's after them! Dude, we're probably inside his truck.
anybody in there?
Did you hear that?
What was that?
Was that something in there?
I don't know. Duck. Duck.
Dude, he knows we're in here.
Look at him, dude. Look at him. Oh! Whoa! Run! Oh my god. Let's go. Run. Dude, oh my god.
Dude, that's his truck.
Dude, my bellies and all they left. Dude, they went to go get help. What should we do, bro? What should we do?
For real.
Dude, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Set up.
Huh?
There's cameras. Probably he knows where we're at right now.
I hope he doesn't.
Bro, I saw this whole house.
I saw he went the other way. He went over there.
Dude, I don't know.
Hopefully they went. Dude, do you have your cell phone?
Really bad
Is there any signal? Is there any signal?
You know? You know?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dude, run. Get inside.
Coming, dude.
Goodness. Dude, look at that. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god, he's coming in. Did he lock the door? Did he lock the front door? Hold it. Oh. Go out the other door.
Yeah, he's coming.
Alright, let's go. Run. Oh my god. Run. Let's get out of here. I don't know. Oh my god, he's coming. Run. Oh my god. Run, bro, run. Yo, he stopped chasing us, look. I guess since we left this property, he stopped chasing us. Dude, let's get out of here. He wanted us out of there. Let's go meet up with Oli and my bellies, and let's get out of here. Alright guys, we're gonna go find help. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Oh my god, I'm tired. Peace out guys, see you on the next one.